Okay, so you've been seeing us talk about all your fitness goals for 2023, but you're still struggling with back pain. And so you're very reluctant to jump into a fitness program when your back is still hurting. Well, we also have an option for that. So on January 5th at noon, we're gonna have a free hour-long workshop here at the studio, and it's gonna be provided by our licensed doctors of physical therapy. And they're gonna help you discover why you have back pain. They're gonna give you tips to help you with your back pain and also educate you on what we can do here to help you with that so that you can dive into a fitness program and make those changes you wanna see. So come join us on January 5th at noon.